So we are making ice cream, and in this ice cream we have OM Master Blend, mushrooms and adaptogens, plant protein, date syrup, coconut sugar, vanilla. Here's the thing, I am so sick and tired of getting ice cream with stuff in it that I don't want, with way too much sugar and no minerals. So now I've got protein, energy, date syrup, which is full of minerals, pure vanilla, organic heavy cream. Oh, and it's gonna be ready in 30 minutes. Whoo, child. Yummy, 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 yummy.
Part 2 of the ice cream. Now Jody's having a little bit of that homemade ice cream with all the flavors on it, all the nutrients.
So this is like beyond. Oh my God. So here's the thing. This is so amazingly delicious. The birds want some. Of course, they can't have it with the chocolate chips, so we made it without chocolate chips this time. We just sprinkled it on top. But this is decadent, and it's good for me. It's got protein, energy production, stress relief from the mushrooms and the adaptogenic herbs. It's organic. Hello.
It tastes fabulous.
Oh my God.
Thank you, Jody.
Okay, yeah. Thank you, Andrew. Thank you. Me. Oh, excuse me. Thank you, Cuisinart.
Cuisinart.
Thank you, Cuisinart. We love you.